Okay, great. So as I mentioned, the QR code, if you open this, this is going to take you to the application site, but we are here today for the Graham Sustainability Scholars information session. Let's see. Here we go. So the Graham Sustainability Institute is under the provost office. So it's not affiliated with any school or college. They focus on interdisciplinary collaboration between students, faculty, expert partners, and decision makers to work on real-world sustainability challenges. The Graham Scholars Program is one of the many programs and centers at the Institute. So some of the key things about the Graham Sustainability Scholars Program, it equips students with essential skills and experiences to become a sustainability leader. Selected scholars participate in programs for the program for 3 terms. It's open to undergraduates who have completed at least 3 semesters of coursework. And to all majors, all schools are welcome to apply. No experience or sustainability expertise is required. The intent of the program is really to grow these skills and experiences through the program. Some of the key experiences that you can look forward to when becoming a scholar. You'll work on hands-on projects with interdisciplinary teams, working with local community organizations on a sustainability challenge that they're facing. You'll be able to learn from your teammates and community partners, attend monthly professional development seminars. So once a month, you will come to the Graham North Conference Room, which will become one of your new homes if you are part of the program. Some of these seminars focus on project management or ethical community engagement, for example. You'll have access to up to $4,000 to put towards an applied sustainability course. Where you'll be able to learn more about sustainability principles, but mainly work with data or work with research. The intent is to really get more confidence in applied confidence in sustainability. So you'll have funding to do that. That is a requirement of the program as well. We have courses that we suggest to you, but it is really flexible. So if you have courses that you think would be suited to this, we can talk through that. It's really flexible. And the project starts with a kickoff orientation at the U of M Biological Station in September, which is really fun. If you've been there before, if you've been wanting to go, it has been a really great opportunity to meet the scholars cohort, the scholars that you're going to be working alongside, build some community, get familiar with the program elements, and just have a really great time outdoors. A few other things to highlight. You're definitely going to meet more sustainably minded students if you're looking for that community. Scholars in the past are part of sustainability clubs across campus or organizers themselves. We've also heard from alum that the program has led to new and lasting friendships. You do get to spend a lot of time together and working through challenges and participating in activities that are fun, and just learning alongside each other. So that's a great outcome of this program. We also have an alumni council that's been formed to pair scholar alums with current scholars. So that helps further expand, career preparedness or just helping other scholars make the most of their experience. Kind of an extra mentorship is provided for you if you're interested. Also, each scholar has the opportunity to apply for a paid summer internship where you'll work with one of the project partners. We typically have about 5 to 6 partners, and each one of them are allowed a scholar to work with them over the summer. So there's about 6 positions, maybe 5 to 6 positions you can apply for with the project partners. It doesn't have to be a project partner that you are working with throughout the 3 terms. It could be a new project, which is an added benefit. Throughout the program, we are really intentional about incorporating opportunities for you to gain these key concepts, including collaboration, adaptability, anticipatory thinking. Um, this could be through the monthly seminars. We do discussion posts, activities built around building these competencies. So if any of these are areas where you want to feel more confident in or expand skills that you already have, this would be a really great program for that. And then a little bit more about the team projects. This is a big part of the program. So you're working with real world sustainability projects, finding solutions that benefit the local community. The Graham Institute finds these local partners. So that is on the Graham Sustainability Scholars staff. The organization or their selected scholars then have the chance to learn about the projects and the partners that we find. And then the scholars are able to share with us which projects are of interest to them. So you have the ability to really, share with us what projects you want to work on when you become a scholar. We ultimately, the Graham staff, make up the teams. We really try to focus on an interdisciplinary team, so you'll probably have students from different schools on your team that are bringing in different skills and background. And then we do consider the first choice of the students as much as we can and who's most suitable for the project. So the project teams, typically 4 to 5 scholars. The anticipated weekly commitment is 2 to 3 hours. We don't want this to be a huge lift and have found that this is kind of a good grounds for working per week. Graham also provides funding for project needs, so transportation for site visits, materials, funding is available for you. So here are some of the project partners that the current scholars are working on. As you can see, there's a range in location. We have some closer to campus in the Ann Arbor and Ypsi area, or Ypsilanti, which is right next door, if you're not familiar. And then we also have a few Detroit partners currently. We're going to hear more about specific partners or specific projects when we talk to the scholars, current scholars and alum who have joined the call today in just a moment.